Welcome to the world of Raspberry Pi. In this tutorial, we'll be setting up your brand new Vilros Pi Zero Basic Starter Kit. Let's get started. Open up that top envelope and reveal the treasures inside. Here's a handy dandy little screwdriver that we'll be using later. The kit also includes a zippered neoprene storage bag so you can safely and neatly store all the kit parts. Now, grab your Pi Zero board and your favorite SD card. Or if you need help preparing one, check out Chapter 2 in the included booklet. Remember, an SD card is not included in the kit. Don't worry if you don't have your SD card ready, you can always add it later. With your screwdriver in hand, gently remove the 2 screws to open up the case. Slide the Pi Zero board into the bottom half of the case, ensuring the port side goes in first. It's like fitting together puzzle pieces. Now we'll keep things cool. Place the thermal heat transfer pad on the main chip of the Raspberry Pi board. We wouldn't want our little computer to get too hot, right? Time to choose your style. Pick the cover you like, put it in place, and seal the case with those trusty screws we removed earlier. Voila! Your Pi is now encased and ready to rock. Look at what else we've got. An awesome power supply with an inline on-off switch, a USB to micro USB adapter for your favorite peripherals like a mouse and keyboard, and an HDMI to mini HDMI adapter for easy display connection. How convenient is that? This kit also includes a GPIO header that can be soldered onto the board for more advanced tinkering. Plus a camera module adapter cable and a camera module mount if you want to explore the world of photography with your Pi. That's it, folks. You've set up your Vilros Pi Zero Basic Starter Kit like a pro. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have loads of fun experimenting with your new tech toy. If you have any questions or need more help, remember to check the included booklet or visit our website.